Yay! We swallowed some. Maybe he just doesn't like the taste of barley.
I think he's just getting used to it.
Yeah?
Yeah. He's doing very good. Being very good boy for the very first time.
Yeah.
Tilt the spoon up so it goes in. Oh. He wants it though. Maybe he wants to spill it.
Yeah. Oops. Not bad, huh?
I think it's just getting used to it.
It stinks. Ew. I'm sorry, baby.